Hey there friends, on today's quick video, we're taking a look at the 40 volt lithium batteries by Ryobi. More specifically, we're taking a look at the charger and what all the lights mean in reference to your battery. Let's jump into it. Okay, so the Ryobi batteries, these big guys, these 40 volts, are made for most of your yard working tools. And these batteries can go bad after a while. And so it's helpful to know what the lights are indicating on the specific charger. Now, just for reference, the way that you charge these the correct way is to actually come in here from the bottom. Again, you're using the back of the charger. Make sure that clip part, the button for the battery, is on the top. And then this just slides right in. You'll hear that nice click. And if we look on the front here, we're going to start getting some light indicators. Now, as you can see, this is a steady green. And so a steady green means this battery is ready down here at the bottom. Now, if I'd put this battery in and it was blinking green, that means the battery is partially depleted and is now in the charging phase. Again, it'll turn steady green once the battery is fully charged. If you get a light that is going back and forth between red and green, just kind of blinking red, blinking green, that means the battery is defective and you need to get a new one. Again, we'll put links in the description box below if you'd like to purchase a new one of these on Amazon. Now, another light that I actually have never seen personally is this testing one. This is going to be kind of an amber color. And so again, you may get a battery that registers as testing. And then obviously, if you just get a steady red light, even when the battery is in, either you have not slotted the battery correctly, and you can come up here, hit that button, pull it out, and actually slot it again to see if we can get a better reading. Again, if it stays red, it again either means your charger is bad and you need to try a different charger, or hopefully not, but it may be that your battery is also dead. Friends, I hope that helps. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us. Let us know we're making helpful videos for you. Stay tuned, we're making a ton more Ryobi tutorial videos as well as demo videos for their new tools. Those are coming out really soon. Subscribe and we will see you again on the next one.